Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's go over the dance with the steps. This dance starts with your weight on your left foot, leaving your right foot completely free. We're going to triple to the side with a rock recover. Triple, rock, step. Triple to the left, and we're gonna walk it out. Right, left. Weights on the left foot. We're going to bounce our left foot, our left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Step down with a point, step down with a point. We're going to do a coaster step, right foot's free. So coaster step. Now we're going to do a step forward with our left with a clap, doing a half pivot with a clap. Weights on my right foot at this point. I'm going to do a quarter triple turn. So triple quarter turn, weights on my left foot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a kickball change twice. Kick, step, step, kick, step, step, leaving my weight on my left foot to do a rocking chair to finish off this dance. So rock, forward, rock, back, weights on the left foot, and now I'm ready to repeat the dance on my new wall with a triple to the side, rock, recover, triple to the side, walk it out, and then your knee bounce on your new wall, and those are the steps to the dance. Let's go over the dance with the counts. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance starts over again on your new wall. And those are the counts to the dance. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.